Hello everyone, I hope you all had a nice weekend. This is Music Through the Ages lesson 3. So we're moving on now, we're moving away from the Baroque period. Today your LO is as follows, so it's to understand what is meant by the classical orchestra and to give key features of classical music. And to get different levels, this is what we're aiming for, so extending. I can identify classical music and Baroque music when listening and can explain the key features of both eras. So that means you'll be able to tell me whether it's classical or Baroque, and you'll also be able to tell me why. So what about the music makes it specific to Baroque or to classical? Advancing, I can identify classical music and Baroque music when listening, and I can identify some key features. So if you can remember some of the things from last lesson and the lesson before. And finally, on track, I can identify classical and Baroque music when listening. So the main point of the lesson is to be able to identify whether it's classical or whether it's Baroque. Okay, so Baroque music, we learned about this in the last 2 lessons. What I'd like you to do now is just have a go at answering the questions below to see how much you can remember from the last 2 lessons.